So can you retire strictly off of Tesla stock? That is something that I want to go into in today's video because this is something that I've been building towards myself. I have a few hundred shares of Tesla and I'm doing covered calls and cash secured puts on it using the wheel strategy. And in doing so, you can make a good amount of money, especially doing like monthly covered calls or cash secured puts. And the number that I'm going to keep going with is I personally think you can make a significant amount of money that could change your life if you have $200,000 in your portfolio. And why do I say that? Because I believe that is the minimum to get you around $10,000 plus every month. And of course, this all depends on how the market is doing, how this specific stock Tesla is doing. And as long as there is some implied volatility there, you're going to get some really juicy premiums. As long as it's making these type of swings, you're going to be making some big home run hits on premiums. And that's what I wanted to get into because I see a lot of people online going over their portfolios. And like I said in my last video, if you want to make significant amount of money, you're going to have to go with like single stocks to make the most for the wheel strategy. And in my Discord, I actually go over that I don't really fall into traps of trying to like premium chase. I just go over the same Mag 7 stocks and a few other ones that I personally use over and over again because that's the ones I did research on. That's the ones I believe in. And I believe you should do the same with your strategy. So that's what I'm going to do because I'm actually using Tesla on the wheel. That's what I want to show you guys. And let's go into Robinhood really quick. And I always use Robinhood because it is the most easiest one to look at. And it's the easiest one to edit too when I'm edit these videos because every time I go to my Fidelity, you can see my account numbers and I don't want people seeing all that. So I will eventually throw a lot of money at like a Robinhood portfolio and then it'll be easier to show you all my trades. But I have around like 250 shares of Tesla currently, some in a Roth IRA, which I'm doing the wheel on, which is also a cheat strategy that a lot of people have been commenting like, yeah, if you do the wheel in a Roth IRA, you're not getting taxed on anything. So it's beautiful. But I also have like another 100 plus shares in my taxable brokerage. But that's what I want to get into. So Tesla, obviously sitting at a 433. It did have that crazy dip before. I can't even remember what exactly it was at, but it was like 370 at one point. And like, man, oh man, I wish I bought that. I wish I bought that. Yeah, 370 like within the last month. Like insane. I wish I bought in at that. And now it's at 433 and last month was a max of 484, almost at that 500 mark, which is, I'm pretty sure it did like almost at that 500. And that's going to be your best friend on this because I really don't see a big movement below 400 again anytime soon unless there's like crazy news around like Elon and around actual like the cars blowing up or something. But let's look at what I personally would do with the wheel. So I currently have 100 shares, 200 shares, but we're going to go off of a $200,000 portfolio, right? Because we want to see if we could like almost retire off of this. So 200,000, and we're going to divide it by, like, if I personally was going to do like a month out put right now, I'd probably hit like the 28th, like 39 days or 32 days, probably the 39 days. I would probably go for like a 30 to 35%, and that's probably going to be around like $400. Look at that. 33%. 33%. I don't do any of these scripted. I'm just going over whatever I would do. So 33% for February 28th. So that's what delta is, guys. Delta is the percentage chance that the stock price will go down to your strike price. So the strike price is 400, current stock price is 433. It'd have to go down around like $34 for you to have to buy 100 shares at $400, which would equal out to $40,000. And so let's do 200,000 divided by 40,000 because that's 100 shares each, right? And you're going to get 5. 5. So if you had 200,000 bucks and you didn't want to diversify anything and you just want to do the wheel on Tesla, like this is the only stock in your portfolio, which I see a lot of people online doing. Like, I'm not going to knock anybody. I personally would want to diversify, but if this is your strategy and this is what you're bullish on, this is what you want to do, more power to you. So you'll get 5 contracts. So you're going to sell this put for February 28th, 39 days away, and you're going to collect $2,365. So you're going to do 5 times 2, 3, 6, 5. And for the month, you're going to get $11,825. That is an insane amount of money. So let's divide that by 200,000. You're going to get almost pretty much a 6% gain in a month, guys. In a month. 6%. And am I saying that you're going to be able to do this every month? No. I'm not going to say that because we don't know how the market's going to go, but you could potentially get something like this every month. And that is the beautiful thing of this. Like, you could be making 10, 13,000 bucks every month. And say if you already had like 500 shares of this and you never knew you could do the wheel strategy, you could actually just start doing covered calls. So the current stock price is 433 bucks. So we would do the same thing, go for like a 35 or 30% delta. You could even go to like the 40% if you're cool with selling your shares, because obviously Tesla could rip and could go to your strike price pretty quickly. But then you could also roll if that happened. And I've made a few videos on rolling. So let's look for I have a feeling it's like almost 500 bucks. Oh, whoops, I'm on sell call side. Sell call. So I would probably think it's like 465. Yep, 465 is 40%. 480 is probably 35. Yep, 35. So we could go to 480 and that'll be like a 35% delta, and you collect $2,000.55. 2,055 times 5, you're making $10,000. $275. And then you might be thinking like, oh man, I'm not really making as much money on the sell put side. That's where a lot of people are wrong. So because like whatever you bought it at, hopefully it was at like this 433 mark, right? Say you bought all 500 shares at the 433. Since you put your strike price up to 480, you'd be pretty much getting a $46 per share appreciation. So $46 times 500 is $23,000 if the stock price went above 480 on February 28th, 4 p.m. EST, and then you end up having to sell it. So you'd get $23,000 plus the $10,000 that you just made from the putting the option out there. So you made $33,000 on one play in a month. Like, that is the insane amount of money that you could be making if you have like these higher implied volatility stocks. Tesla, Nvidia's, AMD's. A lot of them aren't going to be showing such juicy premiums like how Tesla is right now, but it's one of the ones that if you had the money, I would probably be looking at. And that's what I want to go over with a lot of people, is that you could be making a significant amount. And imagine making a $33,000 month. Like, insane. That's someone's salary in like the Midwest. That's someone's salary. And then if you're able to replicate that, or just replicate the premiums of getting like $10,000 a month, just say you're able to do the $10,000 a month, you're making $120,000 a year just off premiums. You're not even doing like checking in on the appreciation. So that's what I want to get into. Like, I don't see how you could lose if you're using stocks that you heavily researched, that you're using stocks that you want in your portfolio. And that's what I teach on this channel, that risk mitigation, risk management. Like, don't go into any like hype stocks that you're going to get caught, like the SMCIs, the Reddits, and a lot of the quantum computing ones right now. You don't have to chase premiums, guys. Like, don't chase it, just go for the consistent wins, and then those consistent wins will compound, and then you could go after the bigger stocks, like the ones that I talk about on the channel, the Nvidias. That's not even that expensive, you know. So this is what you got to keep doing. This is what you got to keep working on. And again, none of this is financial advice. I'm just a dude that loves teaching this because I don't want to gatekeep this from anyone else. And again, I'm a nurse, so a lot of it is patient education, so teaching, and that's what I want to do to you guys. I'm teaching all you guys how to put more money in your pocket, and that's about it. So check out the links if you want to learn more. There's a lot of ways to make free money down there too, if you just open up some brokerage accounts and all that and deposit a few bucks. So again, this is like the easiest way I could teach people. A lot of my free stuff is better than a lot of people paid stuff, and that's what I want to get out to you guys. So I appreciate you guys. Thank you guys for so much for watching, and I'll see you guys very soon. Peace.